Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will show you if it's possible to create Cash App account without social security number, so without verification. So when you download the Cash App and when you open the app, you can start signing up process. First of all, you need to enter your mobile phone number or you can use the email. Just click the use the email button right here and enter the email address instead of your mobile phone. After that, Cash App will ask you to link your debit card. You can skip the step and link the card later. Then it will ask you to enter your name and last name. And after that, you need to choose your cash tag. So just write the cash tag and click the next button. And finally, you need to enter the zip code. And after you will enter the zip code, you will create Cash App account. So as you can see, Cash App is not requiring you to enter the social security number when you are signing up on Cash App. But this is the second part, guys. If you want to verify your account, you can verify it. You need to enter your social security number. You need to verify your identity and your account will be verified. But you can also use Cash App without verification, and I'll show you this kind of account, what you can do without verification and without entering the social security number. So this is the unverified account on Cash App. As you can see, when I click the profile icon in the top right, Cash App requires me to verify my identity. So right here, as you can see, so I'm not going to enter the social security number and I'll show you what you can do without it. So you can just receive and send money, but there are some limits. For example, right here, as you can see, I have got different limits. I can only send 1,000 to 1,500 per month. I can also receive the same amount and the maximum cash balance can be $1,000, guys. So these are the unverified account limits. So you can request money, you can pay money using Cash App, you can also link the debit card. So this is what you can do without identification, but you can't order the Cash App card. You can't activate the Bitcoin function on your Cash App because it requires you to verify your identity first. So you can't get the full features, but you can get some features, some limits. So, and I already showed you what are the limits. So that's all I want to show you in this short video tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.